this impressive mouse from Techware. It's 19,000 DPI, it's only 70 grams, it's got interchangeable shell, and on top of that it's wireless as well. And not to forget, you can also change the switches. The Tecware Pulse Elite is a versatile wireless mouse designed for both gaming and everyday tasks. It features customizable options including interchangeable top covers and hot-swappable switches, allowing for a personalized setup. Weighing in at just 70 grams, this mouse is engineered for comfort and extended use, boasting a high-precision PixArt sensor for reliable performance. It supports wired and wireless connectivity and delivers up to 50 hours of battery life on a single charge. Depending on your location, colour and style options may vary, with this review focusing on the UK model. The mouse arrives in mainly black packaging, highlighting its key features on the front, including its lightweight design and swappable switches. The box contains the mouse equipped with its black shell. An additional white shell is there for customization, a spare set of PTFE mouse feet, a durable 1.6 meter braided USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter, two GM 8.0 switches for an alternative click feel, and a Wi-Fi dongle which is cleverly hidden within the mouse for easy storage and accessibility. An included cable known as the Aero cord is 1.6 meters long and braided for durability and flexibility, ensuring it moves freely without snagging. The cable can serve multiple purposes. It can charge the mouse, be used as a traditional USB connection, or even extend the reach of your wireless dongle when paired with the included USB adapter. Colour customization is straightforward. The base and sides of the mouse will remain black at all times, providing a bold contrast when you adopt to switch to the included white shells, achieving a striking two-tone effect. If desired, you can just change one of the shells, which will give it an even more dramatic two-tone effect. The mouse is equipped with hot-swappable switches, similar to those found on high-end mechanical keyboards, providing you the flexibility to customize the tactile response to your preference. It comes with two Kailh GM 8.0 switches, renowned for their durability and crisp click feel, but you can go out and get aftermarket ones if you wish. The mouse also has a high-quality PixArt PWM3370 sensor, which although not the newest model on the market, it's widely respected for its precision and reliability. Capable of tracking at 40 inches per second with a 50G acceleration and offering up to 19,000 DPI, this sensor ensures exceptional performance suitable for esports and intensive computing tasks. The mouse supports dual connectivity modes. It can operate wirelessly using a 2.4 GHz connection via the included dongle, offering up to 50 hours of battery life on a single charge. For longer gaming sessions or when battery power is low, the mouse can seamlessly transition to a wired mouse by plugging in the provided USB cable, ensuring uninterrupted use. The mouse is equipped with 5 programmable buttons, including the left and right clickers, a DPI adjustment button and 2 side buttons. These can be customized via the software to suit your specific needs, whether for gaming or productivity. Despite its robust feature set, the mouse maintains a lightweight design, possibly due to that honeycomb structure, which reduces the weight on its own by around 4 grams. The design also includes RGB lighting, the Techware logo beneath the shell, and the rear skirt with a diffused RGB strip, and around the scroll wheel, which serves as an indicator for battery level and charging status. The lighting settings are fully adjustable, allowing you to personalise the aesthetics to match your setup or mood. You can do that by either pressing the button on the bottom of the mouse or via the included software, which we're going to have a look at now. Okay, so let's have a look at the actual software. So it looks pretty standard for software for a gaming mouse. You've got your key settings on here, so you can adjust which keys do what. So if you want the middle mouse button, instead of being a middle mouse button, being a fire key, or run a macro, or change the DPI, you can do that if you wanted, and you can do that with any of the 6 keys. You've also got multiple different profiles on there you can select between, so you can have your mouse set up for a specific game or a specific program, let's say something like Premiere Pro or Photoshop. So it does different things depending on what you're doing. So you could have a gaming mode, a home mode, and a work mode if you wanted. You've got a debounce option at the bottom. You can restore it. You can also export and import profiles. So if you're using it on multiple devices, you can obviously export your profile and put it onto a laptop or another device, and that way you'll be able to run it with the same settings. And at the top right, you can see the battery level, and as you can see there, it's saying it's at 100% at the moment. You've got a second tab here, which will let you change your DPI settings as well as the color. So that'd be like the color inside the mouse where the logo lights up and everything. That changes that bit, and you can preset these however you wanted, and you can actually change the number of stages between 1 and 6. And obviously the DPI, it lets you go down all the way to 50, all the way up to 1900. You can change your DPI effect as well, the brightness, the speed, breathing, however you want it. You've got ripple control, angle snapping as well, and you can change it between, you lift off the desk between 1 and 2 millimeters. So that's pretty cool there. And then you've got polling rate options as well. At the bottom right, you've got another button here that will just take you to the default Windows mouse settings, which you can get to through obviously your control panel anyway. Also at the top, you've got a plus sign. That's for creating a new macros, which is pretty straightforward. You press new macro, and then you type in the name and press a few keys on your keyboard, and that will then create a macro. So when you press a specific key on your mouse, then it will run that macro. Let's just say you're playing a game and you want it to shoot, kneel, and I don't know, go prone and then stand up straight afterwards. You can get it to do that if you wanted, and it will obviously, you've got that option of recording and everything on the right. And then you've got your lighting effects, so you've got quite a few different options on there. You've got your steady, breathing, streaming. You can pick specific colours as well, colourful breathing. You've got a full colour wheel there. You've got some preset colours there as well. So it just obviously depends on how you want it set up, and you can change the brightness as well as the speed, and you can set it to obviously go dormant after so long. It gives you an option to go all the way up to 30 minutes. It's just cutting off at the edge of the screen there. Okay, we're going to do a quick sound test. This is a microphone. It's exactly 20 centimeters away from the mouse. We're going to test the switches, what are built into the mouse, or come with it, should I say, and then we'll test the additional switches in a few minutes. So first of all, left mouse button, right mouse button, DPI, wheel button, wheel scroll, left buttons. Now for the additional switches which come with the mouse, which is the GM 8.0 ones. So the left mouse button and the right mouse button. So in conclusion, the Techware Pulse Elite offers a blend of high-performance features and customizable aesthetics, making it a top choice for gamers and daily users alike. Its interchangeable shells, hot-swappable switches and adjustable RGB lighting allow for a highly personalised experience. With its lightweight design and dual connectivity options, this mouse delivers comfort and convenience, ensuring optimal performance in any scenario. Whether you're battling it out in an esports arena or navigating through everyday tasks, the Techware Pulse Elite adapts seamlessly to your needs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and know I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.